Today, protection against microorganisms is more important than ever. From food industries, to medical and human care, to schools, athletics, and transportation, to the home, almost everyone is looking for a safe, cost-effective, and healthy answer to their battle with cleaning and disease control. Green Planet Scientific and Alpha TechPet has the perfect, superior, and healthy solution that is 100% chemical-free, 50% more powerful than bleach, and 3,000 times faster at killing microbes. Introducing the Stabilized Aqueous Ozone Generator. The SAO generator uses oxygen to turn ordinary tap water into ozone-infused water. Ozone is one of the strongest known oxidizers known to man and has been cleaning our public water supplies for decades. This environmentally friendly process allows you to kill 99.9% or more of pathogens, including MRSA, E. coli, Salmonella, and canine parvovirus. Harmless to people, but deadly to microorganisms, the SAO generator allows you to create a high-performing solution to eliminate germs, odors, stains, mold, and mildew. Quickly sanitize surfaces, including glass, in as little as 30 to 60 seconds. Eliminate toxins, carcinogens, and chemical residue. And best of all, SAO solutions convert safely back into water and oxygen. That's as environmentally friendly as you can get. The Stabilized Aqueous Zone Generator can be used to sanitize any hard, non-porous surfaces, eradicating organic odors while exceeding Green Seal GS37 and GS53 standards for industrial and institution use. SAO is especially effective in cleaning and sanitizing food contact surfaces, even in close presence of food without concerns of contamination. It does not require post-application rinsing to eliminate harmful chemicals because there are no chemical residues to worry about. It can even be used as a fruit and vegetable rinse. It's that safe. SAO has proven to save money by reducing chemical costs, decreasing health-related chemical injuries, and the time it takes to clean and sanitize institutions and businesses. Each cartridge can power 800 gallons of water, and the ready-to-use spray has an outflow of 5 gallons per minute with 24-hour stability. You will even enjoy slip-free surfaces because it cuts through soaps, scum, and biofilms. SAO is approved by the EPA, FDA, USDA, is compliant with the EPA Organic Program, eliminating the need for chemicals, and has a neutral pH, so it will not harm your facility, people, or pets. Finally, you can sleep comfortably with the SAO generator.